beach adventure.
Hello, my friends. I'm here, I see you. Today, let's make something together. Hello, my friends. I'm here, I see you. Today, let's make something together. Hello to you and me and moms and dads and brothers and sisters and all those friends we have. Hello, my friends. I'm here, I see you. Today, let's make something together.
Let's warm up. We'll start sitting criss, cross, applesauce. You try it. Criss, cross, applesauce. A little faster. Criss, cross, applesauce. And we clap our hands together and sit up tall. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in together. Big O sound. Oh. Rub your hands together and sit up tall. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. Oh. Tap yourself all over and sit up tall. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. Oh.
Let's put on some sunscreen.
Put it in your hands. Psh. Rub it all around. Now rub your hands and your arm and your shoulder and your other hand and your arm and your shoulder. Rub your chest and your belly, your sides and your back. Let's go all the way down to our feet. Ooh, lift up one foot. Get your toes. Other foot. All the way down our legs to our foot. Don't forget your toes. Come back up. We have to put some on our face and our neck. Neck and face. Ears. I'm ready.
The sun is a signal to wake up. Let's wake up our bodies with the sun dance.
Hands up high, reach for the sky, bend down low, tickle your toes, jump back quick, straight as a stick, down goes the elevator, hiss like a snake, bark like a dog, woof, 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 jump like a frog, onto a log, stand up tall like a mountain.
How do we get to the beach? Puddle Jumper.
Puddle jumper, jump around. Skim the water and touch the clouds. Skim, skim, fly, fly. Skim, skim, fly, fly. Skim, skim, fly, fly. Taking an adventure on a puddle jumper ride.
We're here. Let's make sandcastles.
Sit down in the sand. Put your feet in front of you and your hands behind you with your fingers pointing forward. Lift your middle. Up, 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 up. This is the bottom of our sandcastle. Let's say hello to our friends. Hello, friends. Welcome to my sandcastle. Other foot. Hello, friends. Welcome to my sandcastle. Let's wave with our hands. Hello. Hello. Let's make the top of our castle. Lift one hand up, spin all the way over, and make the top of our sandcastle. Let's wave to our friends again. Hello, friends. Party at my sandcastle. Other foot. Hello, friends. Let's party at my sandcastle. Hello. Hello. Bottom of our sandcastle, spin all the way around. Lift your middle up, 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 up. Oh no! There are some crabs in my sandcastle. Crabs walk forward. And crab walk back. Crab walk forward. And back. Crabs even like to walk side to side. Crab side to side. Crab side to side. I'm covered in sand. There's sand in my ears. There's sand in my hair. There's sand between my fingers. What should I do? I wonder if there's any water nearby. Let's jump in the ocean.
Oh, jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. You're all wet. Now shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. You're all dry. Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again. Oh, jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. You're all wet. Now shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. You're all dry. Hooray!
I want to go surfing. I hope I can balance on my board.
Surf's up, jump into the water, paddle on out into the deep, deep blue. I'm looking for my perfect wave. I'm looking for my perfect wave. Wave comes, paddle fast to catch it, jump up on my board and move side to side. I'm riding my perfect wave. 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 3, 2, 1, wipe out.
It's time for relaxation.
Let's take 5 deep breaths.
What a big adventure. Let's sing our home song.
We had some fun. I'm going home. We gotta run. I'm going home. And so, my friend, see you again. And until then, I'm going home. Home. I'm going home. Home. Now take a deep breath. I'm going Hold home as long as you can on one note. Hold.